Hey guys, so I'm going to be learning a little bit about bike maintenance today. So I have my friend Bill here who's going to help me guide me through the process. This is just a little tutorial video to help you navigate the process as I learn the process, and I can assure you that this is definitely going to be series one of many, and I'm definitely not going to get it today, and I'm going to be okay with that. But I hope that what I'm able to share with you today is something that's going to shed some light on empowering you to be able to maintain your bike on your terms.
Okay, so in order to clean the entire drivetrain, which is the cassette, chain rings, derailleur, you need to remove the cassette. So this is a locking mechanism, and I've loosened it. And this, you unscrew it, and each one of the cogs then are separate, and they can each come off individually so you can clean them. So if you look in here, you can see all the dirt and grime inside each one of those teeth. So that needs to be cleaned.
There you go. So I have what's called a missing link on my chain, which apparently is a newer thing on newer chains that allows you to remove the chain. So this is my first time doing this. This should be interesting. So I was shown it once, so let's see how this goes. Okay. Ah! I did it! Woohoo! So my chain and my cassette, right?
Yes.
Yeah, my cassette's in there, and now we're gonna put some cleaner, question mark? Cleaner in there to agitate? I'm trying here. I'm trying my best. So now I'm putting degreaser in. I'm gonna put about half a bottle in. And I'm told that this is eco-friendly. No, that's not half a bottle. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think I put a little bit more. Okay.
You know what?
More?
Let's live.
Are you gonna put the whole thing in?
Go ahead.
Really?
Yeah.
What's the...
Because it's reusable too.
Oh, well, you learn something new every day. It's reusable. Okay. And this is me agitating. So I'm cleaning Best Girl right now with, you can see from this wonderful grease. She's filthy. Now I'm cleaning, what are these called?
Spokes.
Spokes. I feel kind of stupid because I knew that those were spokes. I'm cleaning my spokes now, and apparently this is an integral part of the process, and it's good to know because my bike lives in my bedroom, and all this gunk then in turn is living in my bedroom. So I'm excited to know how to clean her and take better care of her. This is my stuff after it's been cleaned from the juice it's been sitting in. So we're getting ready to reassemble and put my drivetrain back together so Best Girl will be in best shape. I just want to show you, I clean this and I put this back on. So kind of cool thing, fun fact here, is that they look like they just kind of pile on in any which way, but they don't. There's like this little nuance where there's like a larger little part on the inside of the gear, and that's how you put it on here. And then once you get to the smaller gears, there's spacers that go in before you go ahead and put this guy in that's threaded and you tighten it. So fun fact. So I'm putting my crank back on, and this is the second go around because before Bill's help, I was putting on my pedals so that they were both facing in the same direction, and that doesn't work that way. They need to be opposite one another so that there's no push down and pull up. So now we're going to try that again.
It might be easier if you go with the long side when you started.
Will the long side fit?
Yep.
Oh, well then I don't know why I didn't use that from the start. I had to get a little hammer here and put this guy on. I need a little bit more muscle than what I have. And do I want this like really tight?
Basically as tight as you can make it. Oh, you got it. There, yeah. Push it again. You got it.
Do I want to still keep going?
If it'll tighten, there you go.
Okay, I think that's it. It's a good thing I'm
So Bill's threading the chain now. I was going to do it, but it's actually definitely a little more complex than I'm ready to do at this point in time. But in our next video, I'll do it so that you can see me doing it. It's this back part that has me a little messed up with how you have to get the chain through. And now we reattach the missing link. I don't know why I find that so funny. Don't lose these pieces, by the way. Kind of a big deal. She's getting clean with real basic solution of Dawn soap and water. Special device to go ahead and wash her down and clean her up. It reminds me of like a car wash in like a 90s movies where the girls are in like bikinis. Like, hey! Maybe that's a good way to fundraise, is like bike wash and babes in bikinis. Whoa, now I'm onto something. Don't steal my ideas, internet.